Good morning, students. Today we will be starting a new chapter in English 1, chapter 25, capital letters and full stop. Now, where do we use capital letters and full stop? That we will learn in this chapter. First, let us read the paragraph. 4 men came to Jalnagar. Salim, Sagar, Hari and Tarun wanted to meet King Harsha. They wanted to stay at a cottage at night. They saw a man. His name was Billu. He took them to his house. It was the month of November. It was cold. He gave them water and food. They played with his pet dog Bhola. It was Sunday, so King Harsha did not meet them. They went to the king on Monday. It was Diwali. They gave gifts and King Harsha was happy. Now in this paragraph, what we have seen that the first word of each sentence begins with a capital letter. Now I have told this to you before also. जब भी हम कोई सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उसका जो भी फर्स्ट वर्ड होगा वो कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा. और जब भी हम कोई स्पेशल नेम, अगर किसी का नाम है तो वो भी कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा. लाइक नेम्स ऑफ पीपल. See, these are the names of people. So it will start with capital letter. Name of pet, name of places, then names of days, months और festival. ये सब जो भी special names है, this we have also learned. जो भी special names है वो भी हम हमेशा capital letters में लिखेंगे. And the word I is also written in the capital. जब भी हम word I use कर रहे हैं तो वो भी हमेशा capital letter में use करेंगे. Okay, now read the sentences. Rima is in the garden. The tree has many branches. Now see all these sentences, even in the paragraph, सारे sentence start capital letter से हो रहे और last में end में एक full stop है. Okay, so wherever we are starting the sentence, जब भी हम सेंटेंस लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम लोग हमेशा उसे कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करते हैं और जब एंड होगा तो फुल स्टॉप से एंड होगा. ईच सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विद कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप. नाउ रीराइट दीज सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड फुल स्टॉप्स. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, ये सेंटेंस हमको रीराइट करने हैं. इसमें देखो, माई नेम इज साना, तो माई फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए. इट इज नॉट कैपिटल. देन साना, साना इज ऑल्सो नेम, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट कैपिटल. नाउ सी हियर देयर इज नो स्पेस. यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं दी हुई है कि हम सेंटेंसेस फिर से लिख सके. सो व्हाट वी विल डू दिस इन द नोटबुक. Okay, I will send the answers in the notebook and I'll send the PDF, so from that you can write. So you have to write this in the notebook because here there is no proper place to write. Okay, now write the correct capital letters. Okay, यहाँ पे कौन सा first, सिर्फ first letter हमको लिखना है. Dash is a good boy. यहाँ पे E दिया हुआ है. Boy है तो boy के लिए क्या use होगा? He. So we just have to write capital H. So it will be he is a good boy. Then dash is my toy. अगर toy दिखाना है तो we will say this is my toy. So first letter होगा T. Then dash is a holiday. कौन से day पे holiday होता है? Sunday. So only S we have to write. We just have to write the first letter. Okay. Dash is a big city. Which city is this? Delhi. So we will write D. Okay, then circle the words that must begin with capital letters and write them in the blanks. Now see here, इसमें से कौन से words capital letters से begin होने चाहिए? Bird. No, bird is not a special name, तो वो capital letter से नहीं होगा. Anju, yes, Anju is a name. तो ये हम capital letter से लिखेंगे. Then tree. No, tree is not a special name. That we don't need to write with capital letters. Monkey, no, that also we don't need to write. Goa, yes, this is a place, so that we'll write. And no, and we don't need to write. Then boy, boy also we don't need to write. Then Ankit, yes. So that we will write over here. So we'll write only those words which we have circled. They begin with capital letters. So we will write over here Goa, then Anju and Ankit. So only these words will start with capital letters because they are special names. Okay, so we have completed this chapter. Very easy. We should know that sentence will begin with capital letters and end with full stop. So complete this much in the textbook, and then this, rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. This I will send you the PDF which you have to write in your notebook. Okay students, we will continue in the next class.